Hey, it's Rhonda. There's one mistake that I see so many people make when they first get online, and it's an easy mistake to do. And at the end of this, I'm going to tell you how to fix this really easily. So we are always told to share some motivational posts, some inspirational posts, right? Things like that. So what do most people do? They see posts that other people are doing, excuse me, and they just take those and they share it. Now, what's wrong with that is that people have seen those same graphics thousands of times. Do you think they're going to stop and look at your content? No, they're not. They're just going to keep on scrolling on by, even if you have something else to say about it. So there's a way to fix that, and that's to start creating your own content, which is very easy on sites such as Canva or PicMonkey, right? But don't just use the pictures that they have, that everybody else has, and that's been shared and shared and shared. You want to grab some new pictures, and one mistake that I see people doing is they'll go to Google. A lot of those pictures are not copyright free, right? So you can actually get in trouble without even realizing it if you go take a picture from Google Photos and it's copyrighted. You're not allowed to use those. But there are 3 sites that I use all the time that are copyright free. There's tons and tons and tons of beautiful photos on there that you can use to create your own graphics. And those 3 sites are unsplash.com, pexels.com, and pixabay.com. I hope that helps you.